Here's a new crazy goofy song off a classic 80s song. It's loosely about me and the kind of character I am, the goofball I am, and all the crazy stuff I come up with and I write. Here you go. I love the way I write, something new each day I write. I leave you two viewers wondering what's new from this crazy guy. Your views make me feel good. Though I may have real low sight, I'm still quite alright. I speak in average pace, the words coming out of my lips. The goofiness sure shows. Getting new subscribers every other day. That tells me in many ways others love the way I write. They enjoy the lyrics I write. Though my brain may not seem alright. Test scores show I'm pretty bright, and I sure know how to write. I love the way I write. Every day something new I write. The goofiness in me will continue to show. YouTube viewers wonder why I'm such a crazy guy. What will I come up with tonight? They log on every time to see what I have new to rhyme. Their views make me feel good. Getting new subscribers every other day. That tells me in many ways others love the way I write. Each day something new I write. Though my brain may not seem alright. Test scores show I'm pretty bright. Getting new subscribers every other day. That tells me in many ways others love the way I write. Something new each day I write. I always have a lyric on my mind that end up online. You can check out my website throughout any day or night. See the crazy lyrics I write. Share with a friend my website. See all the goofiness each day and night, all the lyrics that I write. Now take care, have a good night. Catch you in the morning, alright. Have a good night. Enjoy my lyrics each day and night, everything that I write. Thank you for all your views. Way to go, YouTube.